And this is news that's coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where security forces have recovered a suspicious device which looks like an explosive device. This in fact has been recovered in North Kashmir's Baramulla-Handwara highway. The bomb disposal squad is currently working on this particular device that they have found on the Baramulla-Handwara highway. Shuja ul Haq is joining us live with more details on this. Shuja, what details are we picking up? You know, this comes at a time that we've been seeing a lot of anti-terror operations, successful ones at that.
Well, that's correct, Akshita. This suspicious device has been found this morning at a spot which is on the Baramulla-Handwara highway. We've been told that it does look like an explosive device, but at this point of time, the bomb disposal squad is working on it. They're trying to figure out what exactly it was. And if at all it is an explosive device, then there would be a controlled explosion that would be carried out on it most likely. The officials do say that there have been attempts by various militant groups over past few months, rather, to carry out such attacks. We've seen, if you remember, just a couple of days back, we also saw an IED-laden car which was recovered from Pulwama, and that had 45 kgs of explosive device, a huge one, at that. So overall, one does look like a picture of having increase in the militant level of militancy, but at the same time, there is also a surge in the number of encounters that we are seeing taking place in the valley. We just saw yesterday in itself how the security forces said that in just last 1 week almost, they have killed more than 15 militants in various encounters in the valley. So overall, that is the picture at this point of time on the ground. One side, there are militancy-related activities, but anti-insurgency, anti-militancy operations also at its peak.
All right, Shuja, thank you for getting us those details. We'll continue updating our viewers on all the details that come in on this device that's been found on the Baramulla-Handwara highway.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.